You know what troubles the UPSC students the most? It is not polity, it is not economy, it is not NCERTs. It is current affairs. Lots of students comes to me every time with their doubt, a single doubt, that is how to prepare for current affairs. Now, what is the issue in current affairs? It is noise. Noise means there is so much information on the internet that you are flooded with the information and you don't know what to take and what to filter out. So on this Sunday, 23rd of November at 5 p.m., I'll be taking a session on how to prepare for current affairs, where I'll be discussing a 3-layered strategy based on sources, synthesis, and its applications. You know what? We have to select the sources and learn how to apply it in our UPSC Mains examination. So I'll be discussing this complete strategy. You can register for this session. This session is completely free. The link is provided in the description. Thank you and all the best.